how to pay on Shein app. So if you want to pay on Shein app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Shein application. After opening your Shein, you need to go with me, which is on the bottom right. And now you need to go with wallet, which is on the top right. And in my case, I've not added any wallet yet. But if you want to pay or if you want to add a payment method on Shein, then what you need to do is just simply go with settings, which is on the top right. From the settings, you will have an option of my payment options. You need to tap on that. Under payment methods, you may have a lot of payment methods, but in my case, I have a card payment method. So if you tap on add a new card, then you'll be able to add your card number, your expiry date, your CVV, a payment security, enable that, and then your security and privacy. And after entering all of the information, you can go with confirm and your payment method will be added. After that, you'll be able to pay on your Shein. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.